Hey everybody, in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to manage memories backup on Snapchat. To manage your Snapchat memories backup, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is you have to enable automatic backup. Open your Snapchat application and then log in. On the next field, click on the Bitmoji icon from the top left. Go ahead and click on the gear icon from the top right, and then you simply want to scroll down to the section of memories. So you'll be able to find the memories section on this page. Now here it is. You want to click on that and make sure to toggle the button for smart backup. So whenever you toggle the button for these, you'll have successfully managed your memories backup on Snapchat. And you just need to go ahead and open the memory screen by viewing up the camera screen. So exit out from this page and then you want to go to the memories tab, and here you go. So this is the way you'll be able to manage Snapchat backup. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.